Hi guys, it's Shika and you're welcome to Murales the Cuisine. And today we are cooking some sweet, nice jollof rice. So let's go over to the kitchen and let's find out what's cooking.
Hi, my name is Emanuela, aka Ellaisprity. I'm gonna make jollof rice. We have local and intercontinental spices. So today we decided to put some stuff together and deliver a sumptuous jollof. Unfortunately, we couldn't take videos of when we're blending stuffs, but I assure you I'm going to take you through them. We have blended onion, we have fresh tomatoes, tomato sauce, and then a little bit of tomato paste. We have fresh ginger, fresh garlic, we have whole anise, and then we have bay leaves. We have thyme, we have grounded nutmeg, oh, and of course curry powder to give us the aroma. And then we have Maggie cube. You're from Ghana and you from Mexico, you from Spain, you know Maggie. We also have goat meat. From Africa, we love bones. We love to chew bones. Okay, this is after 30 minutes. You can leave it on till about an hour. Use your own discretion. Okay, people. All right, so now this meat is ready, and we're gonna fry it to give it a little color. We try not to brown it too much, okay? We want it to be juicy, like juicy, as you can see. See, it's quite juicy. All right, but hey, remember, this is for jollof, okay? This is for jollof, so you just want it as juicy and saucy as the jollof. This is the stuff of the meat. As the rest of the goat meat is frying, we just want to buy time and then begin with our sauce. We can go ahead and then put in our blended tomatoes. And I have a lot of tomatoes here. So for jollof rice, okay, everything is about the sauce. Okay, everything. When the sauce goes bad, forget it. Your jollof is bad. As my people will say in our local dialect, yeah, chip tomatoes name. So now we're gonna put our onions. Remember, the onions, we have a combination of the white and then the red onions. Put everything. See, onion gives a good taste. You have no idea. You have to develop the habit of eating a lot of onions. It has good side effects. It's good for the eyes.
Oh really?
Yeah. Hello, so we are back to check on our sauce. Now is the time to put in the stock. Okay, so I'm gonna put everything together, and then I'm gonna put in my cubes. don't see any oil in it, right? It looks dry and looks some way. So I'm gonna borrow a little oil from the oil that we fried the meat in. Okay, remember what I told you? We are being real, no faking. Okay, we're gonna tidy up the kitchen. We are back once again to check on our oh my god. It smells so good. So a lot of people like to wash their rice, and so I usually don't like it, but I'm gonna wash it. It looks like our stew is almost too much, but it's gonna work, trust me. Add a little water. So in this case, we're gonna need salt. So this is the exact color we want our jollof to be at the end of it cooking, okay? You're gonna cover it with foil too, okay? Hey people, we are back. Oh, look how our jollof turned out so great, and it's ready. So yeah, you saw the process, so we would like you to try your hands on too, and we'll hear from you guys, okay?
Jollof, people. See those grains, single.
And I know this is Murales de Cuisine jollof rice.
Let's eat. So there was this part that yeah, she wanted to hide that part. She felt that the stew was so bent. Okay, listen, this is not what we expected. We chatted so much, and then we went back to the kitchen and boom, guess what? Oh.
She comes to make me try the
Okay, so we resurrected the stew, so we are continuing.
Chica, we are not going to say we resurrected the stew.
Okay.
We are
didn't die.
Continue wherever we left off.
Okay, yes, we are continuing.